Hi, I'm Missy and this is Honey, and we're bringing you what's cooking in the Smokies. Today we're going to make lentil harvest soup. I'm going to start with my lentils, pour them into a pot. I'm going to add 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of onions. We're also going to throw in 1 cup of freshly diced tomatoes, 4 cups of water, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon for seasoning. We're going to cover that and put it on our pot, put our pot on the stove for 1 hour. We'll have a nutritious, delicious meal that will feed approximately 4 people very easily. But if you're alone like I am, self-quarantine, what I'll probably do is freeze some of it so I'll have some delicious soup next week. Have a great day.